Hello friends, in this lecture I am going to show you how you can start a motivational video channel without showing your face on YouTube. So let's get started. There are so many ways to create motivational video channels. In this lecture I am going to share three different ways to create motivational videos. Number one is you can use stock images plus voiceover. For this I am going to show you a channel. This channel name is Words of Wisdom. He is simply sharing videos by creating these videos using stock images or images from Google and reading some content by giving his own voiceover. And he started this channel in 2020 and he got around 671k subscribers, as you can see here on the screen. This channel is based from India and he share content in English language. Let me show you his popular videos. This video of his got 3.2 million views within 10 months and he is doing simple editing and just reading motivational stories about Gautam Buddha and nothing else he is doing. So you can follow this blueprint to create good motivational stories, good motivational videos. The number two is stock videos plus voiceover. For this let me show you this channel. This channel name is Wisdom of the Ages and it's a verified channel, as you can see here, verification badge provided by YouTube itself, and he is creating content by using stock videos or videos from movie clips and simply providing its own voiceover into these videos. And let me take you to the about section of this channel. He started this channel in June 2021 and within 15 months he got around 182k subscribers on this channel, and this channel is based from United States. So I saw you two different ways using stock images and voiceover, stock videos and voiceover. Now let me share the third point, stock videos plus text plus background music. For this let me show you this channel name Be Positive. He is simply using stock videos and background music and some text on the videos, as I saw you on the previous lecture how you can create videos like this using Canva itself, and he is just sharing short videos. Let me show you his popular videos. This video of his gain 6 million views and he have a subscribers base of 84.9k, almost 85k subscribers, and he started this channel in February 2022. Within 8 months he got 85k subscribers. So it's up to you, whatever is suitable for you. You can use 0.1, 0.2 or 0.3 to start your motivational video channel. In next lecture I am going to show you how you can create videos like in next lecture I am going to show you how you can create videos like Words of Wisdom and using stock images, stock videos, and simply using background music. For background music I suggest you to use Google Audio Library to avoid any music copyright issues in future. So that's it for this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, in this lecture I am going to teach you how you can create motivational videos for your motivational YouTube channel. In past lecture I show you three different YouTube channel. First one is Be Positive, second one is Words of Wisdom, and third one is Wisdom of the Ages. So I am going to show you how you can create videos like this using canva.com. So for this we are going on Canva, and we simply need to click on mobile video. Here we can design our mobile video for motivational YouTube channel. So for this we require a background video or image. This time I am going to use a video as a background. So for this I am on Faceless.com, which provides free stock videos and images and background etc. And here I am going to search motivation. As you can see, here we are currently on photos, so we simply need to click on videos, and it shows us these stock videos for our channel. We can simply download any video we like to use for our content. Let me take this one. It's downloading, and it's downloaded now. We simply need to drag and drop this downloaded video in Canva like this. It's being uploaded on the Canva. Let's wait and let it upload successfully. Until it's getting uploaded on Canva, let us find some motivational lines for our motivational video. So for this we are going on Google, and we simply need to search motivational lines in English or Hindi or Urdu or Arabic, whatever language you prefer, or whatever language you are about to create your YouTube channel, you can search motivational lines in that particular language. So we are going to hit on these motivational quotes, 100 inspiring quotes to start your day. It's a catchy title he is using. So I am simply going to copy this line, and we are going back on Canva. This video is successfully uploaded here. We simply need to click on it and adjust as per the video size, and we are adjusting the video. Now we simply need to put the text on this video to make it more attractive. So we simply go to text, add a headline, and we are pasting that content right here, and we simply need to adjust this line here, and we are now making it bold and italic to give it some more creativity. And that's it. Our video like this channel is ready to publish on our motivational YouTube channel. It's that much simple. And if you decide to create videos like words of wisdom, then first of all you need to find out a script, motivational script. You can find it on Google. You can take it out from any book, motivational book you like, and then you can give your own voiceover, and then you can use stock images to create videos like this using canva.com. And if you are planning to create videos like this, then you can download stock videos from Pexels or pixabay.com. You can give your own voiceover and then combine these things using canva.com. So it's that much simple to create motivational videos using Canva. I hope you have understand very well about creating motivational videos. That's it for this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you guys.